It's Mike Griffin here with Home Cash Buyers Florida. We working on our Avocado home. We just got through getting everything cleared out, all the drywall pretty well pulled down, all the floorings out of it, cabinets, bathrooms. So let me just give you a little quick tour of what we're planning on doing with this house when we get ready to flip it here. Hopefully in about 90 days we'll have it ready for the market. In our kitchen we're going to plan on white shakers. We'll have crown molding on top of them in this area here, all stainless appliances, and then also we'll have a dishwasher. It wasn't here before. We'll have that, granite countertops. So this will be our kitchen area. And then all the flooring inside here, we're going to have waterproof laminate planking, vinyl planking all through here, all throughout the house. So, and then the doors over here, there was doors. We'll have sliders over on this side instead of bifolds. And then we'll have a regular door here. I do not like bifolds. I just have a pet peeve about them things. And you can see we've got everything pretty well stripped out. We do need to come in and treat it for mold. We'll get that done here in a few days. Come in and spray for that. Trusses, we're still waiting on the engineer to get our truss repairs. Looks like we're going to have to replace about 9 of them, and then new planking on top with the new roof. It'll be a 30-year shingle on that. As you can see, all the flooring's out of here. Some of the drywall is still in good shape. We were able to get, fortunately, when this caught on fire, it was cool. So everything did dry out pretty quick on this house. It wasn't moldy at all, which I'm real grateful for that. AC's going upstairs. We're going to be putting a brand new unit in there. It's in the closet now. I have a pet peeve about those also. And then in our bathroom here, we just got through tearing this out. We'll have a new vanity and then new tub and shower over here. We'll also tear out this top part here so the room will look a little bit bigger. All new wiring from basically on this half of the house will be done. All the breaker panels will be updated, replaced. These got the old Pacific breakers in there, Federal Pacifics, and insurance does not like those. So now we're looking in the master bedroom. Same thing here. We'll be putting sliders in here instead of bifolds, getting rid of those. And the master, we're going to come back in here, new toilets, the shower. The shower is actually in great shape. We're going to probably rip these doors off and then resurface or retile back over top of this in here. Everything's in great shape, but the flooring will be replaced. So that's kind of what our goal is. You can look outside here. We do have some decking and stuff that'll have to be replaced, upgraded. That'll be done too. And then we're going to be running along a fence all the way back around here. All brand new vinyl fencing will be put up. So it's going to be a huge yard. And like I said, I'm hoping we have this house on the market in about 90 days. Thank you for listening to my little videos. Home Cash Buyers Florida, Mike Griffin. Thank you now.